Hi guys, my name is Sheila. Today I'm going to be unboxing the March 2020 BoxyLuxe from Boxycharm. Now Boxycharm has 3 tiers. They got the base box for $25 a month. They have Boxycharm Premium for $35 a month. Then they have BoxyLuxe for $24.99 a month. If y'all want to subscribe, I will be dropping my referral link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the bell to get all my notifications. So when you open it up, guys, I done opened it too. This is what it says, and it comes with a card. I got variation 13. Now, for those of you that like to know, my box weighed 2.9 pounds. I don't recall the dimensions, but I do know that it weighed 2.9 pounds. So, the first thing we received in the box is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. Guys, my camera is not going to do this justice. It's not. And my lighting is not going to do this justice. So, it comes with a mirror. The colors, this bends backwards too. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. And it's got the names on there. It has Boxycharm, full size, exclusive, spoiler, luxe, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and Cup of Joe. And for those of you who don't know, Cup of Joe is the owner and the founder of Boxycharm. So this palette is going to be really amazing to play in. This retails for $39. Oh, and this month's theme is pretty edgy. Next item in the box that we received is the Deborah Lippmann nail polish set. This retails for $19. This is in the shades of Fire on the Horizon, Can't Stop the Feeling. This looks like it's going to be amazing. Cannot wait to try this out. Cannot. Next item in the box is the Duo. And I was kind of hoping it would be a little bigger. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Coca Cabana Cream. This retails for $15. It says a duo of So de Janeiro's iconic body cream comes complete with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of your skin with an addictive pistachio and exalted caramel scent. The Coca Cabana Cream provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. Now, I have received, I think I received this in my Ipsy, maybe, of the Coca Cabana Cream, and I just opened it today. So I had to try it out. And it smells like coconut. So this stuff is really good to have on hand. Next item in the box, this is one of my choice items. And I'm very excited for these because I've never owned these. Never. I've never owned straws like these either. And this is what they are. They're Bombshell Baker. Comes in velvet. A velvet bag. Metal straws. They're gold. It's just so pretty. And it even comes with a cleaner to clean them. And these retail for $21. I'm so excited to try these. So excited. And these are so handy. Like, you can take these with you somewhere. And you can use your own straw at a restaurant. And just imagine. Yeah. Next item in the box is the Becca Skin Love Glow Haze Stick. This retails for $28. Now this, I was really hoping I would receive this. This was driving me crazy because I really wanted this. And this is what it looks like. Let me put this down. And let's try this out. Ooh. It definitely gives like a creamy texture. And you can see it shimmering now. And it definitely feels dewy. So that would be fun to play with. And again, this retails for $28. This is a highlighter stick. In case y'all didn't know, this is a highlighter stick. Next item in the box that I was so happy to receive, and I was so wanting to receive this. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I've seen everybody else getting other colors, and there's different variations too with different colors. And this was the one I wanted. I've always wanted like dark lip shades and everything. And this is in the color of Wild Night. And it almost looks like a really dark purple. And I cannot wait to try this out. Next, and this retails for $25. Next item in the box is what was the best thing ever. This is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Now, I've seen everybody else pulling these out. Like I said, there was different colors. I've seen like one other person had this color. And this is what it looks like. Has bristles on this side. And it's flat on that side. It even comes with a holder for it to sit in. Well, mine may not sit in it. And that's what it looks like. It even comes with a battery. Guys, they wrapped a single battery. A single battery. Really? Comes with a battery. Now, be careful when you're putting this in, because some people's has broke when putting it in. Ooh. It's got really good vibration. I don't know if y'all can hear that. I guess this is what it's for. It feels so weird vibrating. There's 2 settings of vibration. This is pulsation on low, on high, and then it's off. So this will be fun to use. And then last but not least, the last item I received in my box is my favorite all time that I've been trying to keep getting in the brand is the Tarteus Pro Remix. This is heavy, guys. Really heavy. When you open it up, and take it out, this is just so pretty. I cannot get over this. It's just so pretty. And when you open it, I love how it smells, but the colors are so beautiful. My camera does not do this justice. It does not. And the palette retails for $49. So this right here pays for your box, as well as the PMD, and this is $99. And the box was $24.99. So this definitely paid for your box. I'm going to drop the link to my referral in the description. So if you want to sign up, please sign up. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to leave a comment at the bottom, and I will get back to you. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.